Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing these gifts I got from my housewarming ceremony. Wow. Nice. Nice. We got a bronze Ganesha. I like it. Thank you for giving this. Next we have Goddess Lakshmi. It's amazing. I love it. And thank you for giving this. Again, we got Goddess Lakshmi. It's amazing and it's good. Thanks. We got Ganesha. It's amazing. It's big. Thank you for giving this to us. Thank you for giving this. We got Buddha. It's very nice. It's amazing. Thank you for giving this. We got a Ganesh frame. It has amazing colors and it's very nice. Thank you for giving this. We got Lord Venkateswara Swami. Thank you for giving. We got this photo frame. We can keep our family photos in here. It's good. And thank you for giving it. We got this beautiful scenery. It's amazing. It's good. Thank you for giving it to us. We got this Radha Krishna frame. It's good. Nice. Thank you for giving this to us. We got cookware. And thank you for giving this. We got this ice cream balls. As you can see, there's 6 here. Thank you so much for this gift. We also got these gift cards. So thank you guys for giving these gifts. Have a nice day. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.